You may search for courses and course sections by typing in the course or course section in the upper right corner and selecting the magnifying glass. We have selected Math. All courses within the Math curriculum will appear. To the left, you can filter to narrow your search results. We'll select Main Campus for location, Mathematics, a term. Instructors will be listed below. Available courses will be listed to the right. Click on Back to Course Catalog. Search for a course subject. We will type in Psychology. Select the Psychology link. Again, all courses with Psychology will be listed to the right, and you may filter on the left. Location, term, and instructor. Back to Course Catalog again, and this time we will choose the Accounting subject from the link. All accounting courses will be listed, and again our filter on the left.